Good morning, students. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the computer session. In this session, we are going to learn how to add images to our web pages through HTML. In the last session, we have learned how to create web pages in HTML. We have learned about the basic structure of HTML page. Now, in this section, we are going to learn how to add the images to our existing web page. So just start the practical so that it will be easy to explain for me also and easy for learning to you also. I just opened the notepad and I have already made a basic format of HTML in a file. I just opened that. This is the basic format. Here I have given the title students creativity, but there is nothing in the body of the page. So we just type few lines. This program is about to explain how to add images. We are going to learn two things. One, adding images. Second, adding border. Where you want the line break, you can give the BR commands. As I am giving here, I have given two line breaks here so that it can leave the one line. I want to leave now two lines here, so I will give it two times. Then we will add the image. For adding image, you all of know that we use the image source command. So we use img src, that is equal to. Now we have to mention the path here. Whenever we want to add image, we have to mention the path. I have a photograph here with the name girl.jpeg. What I will do, I just open the properties. I just copy the path, location of the photograph. I just copy it. Just go to my program. In double quotes, we have to write. Now the name of the image. I just copy it and paste it. Just close it. Now we just define the height and width also. Height equal to 450. Width equal to 350. Let's close it. Okay. Now we just save our file. File. Save as. We have to save it with the HTML extension. So I just give image trial dot html. I just save it to the desktop. So I just make it to the desktop. Save. Okay. Now I minimize my file. Close the properties. Here you can see my file image trial.html with the Chrome icon. I just run it. Here is the we have given one line break here, one line break here, and one extra BR. Here we give the two BR for leaving one space. So it leave the space. height and width, whichever we are giving, it's just giving to that to the image. Here is the image. Got it? It's very easy to add image. Yeah, I know you can catch it firstly. Now we just do one more thing here. Sorry. We just open the file again. Here, what we can do, border. File save again. Again run the file. Add the black border to your image. It will add the black border to your image. In this picture, border is already there in the picture, but if there is no border, it will add the border in the black color to your image, so it will be separated from the text. So you have learned about how to add image to your web page. Okay, now we will learn how to create list in our web page. We are going to create a list. Uh, in the last example, I have already written 1, 2 here for the points. But if you want to declare some list in your page, you don't have to give like this. You can create the list automatically by the bullets also and by the numbers also. Okay, we just do one thing. We start the command from here. This is for the bulleted list. I'm first giving unordered list. Okay, the first item we have to li, and again here also. Right. Now after completing my list, I have to, sorry. Now we don't have to give this br command also. As we are using the list command, we don't need this command also. Okay. Now at the end, I just end my list with the closing tag ul. Okay. I just save my file, minimize it, and I just run it again. You can see the bullets are there. Our 3 points, adding images, adding border, adding list in the page. Okay. This is very easy to create list in HTML. I know you got my point. We can create the ordered list in the same manner as this is the unordered list. Till now, we have learned about how to add images in our web page and how to create list in our web page. But now we are going to learn the next thing is how to create link between our web page and to some other website. Okay, I'm just going to use here uh, anchor and href hyper reference tag. Okay, I'm just using the center tag first so that the image can be centered. Now we, after writing this before the image, because I want this image to be a link, that's why I'm writing before this image. If I don't want using this image as a link, then I can write it separately. Whatever the thing we want to create the link, we have to write before that anchor and the hyper reference command. Now we close anchor command as well as the center tag, closing center tag. Now we save the program and just run once again. Here is our image comes in the center. I'm just clicking on the image and it will take me to the link. We have given the link of our website, na? So it comes to the website, as we can see. And if I use the backward command, back page, it comes to back to the page. Okay. So you see, it's very easy to create the link between two pages through the image. We can create the image as the link. Okay, this is really very easy. I hope you got my point. Now we will meet in the next theory session. Till then, you just practice these tags at home also and send me your screenshots. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.